In this video, we're going to be looking at how we can solve a two-step equation. Looking at the example on the left-hand side, in order to be able to solve 5x plus 7 is equal to 27, I need to know what x is. In order to be able to solve an equation, we use inverse operations. And if I know that 5x add 7 is equal to 27, if I remove the 7, I can work out what 5x is. But in order to keep things equal, whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. So I take away 7 from 27 as well. Well, 7 take away 7 is 0. So on the left-hand side of the equal sign, I get 5x is equal to 27 take away 7, which is 20. If I know that 5 lots of x is equal to 20, the inverse operation of times by 5 is to divide by 5, and whatever I do to one side, I do to the other. 5 divided by 5 is 1, so I get 1x is equal to 20 divided by 5 is 4. I've now solved the equation. But just because I've got an answer doesn't mean it's correct. So there is a check that I can do. If I substitute x is equal to 4 into the original equation, I should get 27 as my answer. So 5 times by 4 add 7. Well, 5 times 4 is 20 and add 7 is 27. So I get the final answer. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So with this question, I've got x add 7, all divided by 6 is equal to 2. If I can work out what x plus 7 is, that will remove the fraction. To remove divide by 6, multiply by 6. Whatever I do to one side, I do to the other. 6 divided by 6 is 1, so I've got one lot of x plus 7. And on the right hand side of my equal sign, 2 times 6 is equal to 12. Removing the 7 by taking away 7, because it's the inverse of add 7, and take away 7 from 12, will give me 7 take away 7 is 0, so x is equal to 12 take away 7 is 5. This is the answer to the question. But just to check, substitute x into the original equation. 5 plus 7 divided by 6 should hopefully equal 2. Well, 5 add 7 is 12, and divide this by 6 does in fact give me 2.